ফর এক্সাম্পল সি কি হলো এটা, সি ড্যাশ এসএইচ। ওকে, এটা কোথায় আছে সি ড্যাশ এসএইচটা? দেখো এটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমাদের। এইটা মনে করো সি ডট এসএইচ, মানে এখানে আছে সালফাইড্রিল গ্রুপটা। তো আরেকটা চেইনে অন দ্য আদার চেইন দেয়ার ইজ ওয়ান মোর এসএইচ। বললাম না যে দেয়ার আর টু সালফাইড্রিল গ্রুপ, দেয়ার আর টু সিস্টিনস। সো হোয়াট উইল হ্যাপেন ওয়েন টু সালফাইড্রিল গ্রুপস কাম টুগেদার? আমরা এটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করে লিখি, ঠিক আছে? এই দেখো কিভাবে লিখি, মানে সবই ঠিক আছে, এসএইচটা এদিকে আছে আর কি। সো হোয়াট উইল হ্যাপেন ইজ টু হাইড্রোজেনস উইল কাম টুগেদার and they will get separated। ঠিক আছে, তোমাদেরকে বলে দেব, but you carefully see here। so what will happen is two hydrogens will go, so what will remain? একটা হাইড্রোজেন চলে গেল, তখন কি আছে দেখো। এখন আমি তোমাকে বলি কি আছে, সি সি এস, আবার একটা নতুন ড্যাশ, আবার একটা এস, আবার একটা সি। বুঝা গেল নি? তাইলে কি হলো দেখো ঘটনাটা। এটা একটা প্রোটিন চেইন, আমি বলেছিলাম তোমাদেরকে, ঠিক আছে না? এটা একটা প্রোটিন চেইন, এটা একটা প্রোটিন চেইন, এটা একটা প্রোটিন চেইন। বুঝা গেল নি? মানে দিজ আর নাথিং বাট দিজ অনলি। এই যে প্রোটিন চেইন আমি বলছি, আমি কার কথা বলছি? এটা আসলে এটা। বুঝা গেল তো? তো এখন দেখো দুইটা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট প্রোটিন ছিল, ডিউ টু দ্য প্রেজেন্স অফ সালফাইড্রিল গ্রুপ দে হ্যাভ এ disulfide bond, very very important। so this bond is called what? A disulfide bond। okay, so we shall call it what? A disulfide bond, disulfide bond। understood? so how these disulfide bonds are made? এই যে দেখো, here we are having so many disulfide bonds, here। so how this thing has been formed? due to the presence of cysteine। okay, once two hydrogen molecule, one hydrogen goes, they will do a what? Covalent bond formation, SS come together, and this is called disulfide bond। now what mercaptoethanol does? it breaks down, understood? reduction of disulfide bond means what? means breaking down of disulfide bond। reduction means nothing but breaking down। so can anybody tell me what is reduction and what is oxidation? so you just remember, you must be knowing, but still you remember, anything where hydrogen is added is called what? reduction। anything where oxygen is added is called oxidation। so there is one more electronic version of it। for example, if you add electron to something, it is called oxidation। okay, if you remove electron to something from something, this is called what? reduction। understood? so this is how it is। so what happens is it undergoes beta mercaptoethanol. what it does? it breaks down disulfide bond by reducing disulfide bonds into sulfahydryl bond। again they will become what? sulfahydryl। previously pehle sulfahydryl it was, then it became disulfide। so if I add beta mercaptoethanol, what will happen? it will again go back to this। okay, so ekhane dekho, this thing you have to explain। so after addition of beta mercaptoethanol, what has happened? all the disulfide bond broken, and so what will happen? here you see, dekho SH SH SH, previously these were all double S, now they has become disulfide group। so now we are doing one more SDS page, we will do one more SDS page। now what will happen? here you see, here there is the control, this is the control unbroken। okay, now what we will see is we will have two bands only, very very far away। okay, why? now this is your light chain bonds or light chain this thing, and this is your heavy chain bands। okay, understood? now this is what? this is your what? untreated, we will write here untreated antibody. Okay, I'm not writing globulin now, I'm writing antibody. So untreated antibody, since its molecular weight is very high, it will stay upper side. Okay, you can also put like this. If you here you put a positive charge, positive electrode, and here it is a negative electrode, as you know, isn't it? So what is happening? Everybody is coming towards the, oh sorry, it will be the opposite way around. This is your positive electrode. Okay, this is your positive electrode. So everybody is coming to the positive electrode, and the mobility is directly dependent on the what? Molecular weight. So here it is untreated antibody, that means full compact, this one, where there is no breakage. But these are two what? These two bands is having the same molecular weight, so they will come all together. What we said? We said that SDS page, what it does, it only separates protein on the basis of their molecular weight. So these two are having same molecular weight, as you can see. So these two will make a single band. Now these two is having same molecular weight. These two will also make a single bond, which will be upper because molecular weight is larger. Understood? So see, these are the different cases of SDS page of the same molecule. Okay. Now coming to the third case. Now here what we are doing? Here we are adding papain. Okay. Here we are adding papain. So you know about papain. Pepe gacher moddhe hoy. And during when you cook very good mutton, what you do? You add some what? Unripened papaya, so that your meat becomes very tender. Okay. So if you do not keep papaya, what will happen? The senior persons, for example, in my house, my father is there who is very old, so he cannot take mutton if they have not kept papaya in it. Okay. So if you put papaya, what will happen? It will become much more tender. So papaya contains papain. Now, what it does? It also breaks the protein, but in specific sites. Here you see. Okay. This is called hinge region. This thing is called যেখানে এই যে ইয়েটা মানে this is a spring like structure, this area. I'll show you. This area is called hinge region. Hinge means where there is a lot of glycine. Glycine is very small amino acid, and therefore it is very what? Flexible. So we'll call it hinge region. Understood? But when we add papain, the hinge region will get broken. Understood? If it get broken, what will happen? See, 3 different independent molecules will come out. So we'll again do a SDS page. Again, the usual unbroken, this thing will get, isn't it? Just hold on. Yeah, it is going on. So it will be the undisturbed, and then we will get 3 different. Here one, okay, then here one, then here one, okay, because these all are having different molecular weights. So what has happened is it will also come in the same, this thing, what we call is same lane. It should come in the same lane itself. Okay, there will be no different lane, in the same lane only it will be. So here also in the same lane, the 3 different these things are there. Okay. No, it will be in a proper way. It should be written like this. It is the biggest one, and these two there will be some very small difference. So what we will do is we will keep these two in very close proximity, not very far. Okay. So here, sorry, this one and this one. Okay. So the same molecule has been broken down in different patterns. So after getting all such information, okay, what do we know? Here you see what final outcome of the experiment. Final outcome of the experiment is